how to get custom free ringtones on your iOS device. What's going on, guys? Regal here. Today I'm going to be showcasing an application that you can download to get free ringtones on your iOS device. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to start things off, the first thing you guys want to do is click the first link in the description box down below. This link will redirect you guys to the App Store and an application called Ringtones for iPhone. Now, a basic summary of what this application is that it's basically a ringtone maker and ringtone downloader for your iPhone. So you can basically go ahead and create your own custom ringtones from this application, or you could go ahead and utilize its download feature to download free ringtones directly on your device. The only real downside of getting this application is actually setting the ringtone as your main ringtone, which unfortunately does involve using a computer. Now, obviously, all of this will make way more sense if we actually go ahead and download the application. So the next step we're going to be taking is simply downloading the Ringtones for iPhone application to our devices. Now, once the application has downloaded on your device, the next step we're going to be taking is simply launching it up and then getting brought to the home page of the application. Now, there's actually a lot of features that this application has, which can obviously be seen on the home page. I mean, you can go ahead and create your own custom ringtones, even record them, or you could go ahead and download a ringtone from this application directly and utilize its step-by-step instructions on how to actually set it as a ringtone on your iOS device. Now, for the sake of today's video, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a random song to download to my device so that I could show you guys the tutorial screen that this application gives you when you go ahead and download a song and want to set it as your custom ringtone. As I said before, you do need to have a computer, but the process is super simple and shouldn't take you guys more than 2 minutes. So once you guys do go ahead and find a ringtone that you want to download and set as your custom ringtone, the next step we're going to be taking is simply downloading it and clicking on the option that says step-by-step instructions for when you want to set this ringtone as the main ringtone on your device. Now, once you guys do click on the option that says step-by-step instructions, you guys will be brought to the tutorial from where you can go ahead and learn how to set any song as your custom ringtone on your iOS device. The tutorial is very simple to follow, and as I said before, it really shouldn't take you guys more than 2 minutes to do. And well, once you guys have completed the tutorial, you guys can then go ahead into your settings application and then scroll down to sounds and then ringtone, and then you guys should see your custom ringtone that you just set to your iOS device. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and get free ringtones or even make custom ringtones for your iOS device, simply click the first link in the description box down below, download this application, follow along with its step-by-step tutorials on how to actually set the song as your custom ringtone, and then you guys should be good to go. But yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys did go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal, and I'm out. Peace.